I'm already crying. Today is December 25, 2025, and it's our first Christmas without you. I can't believe na last Christmas na pala natin together last year. Kaya siguro, sobrang saya ng mga last moments natin ng December to January because you will leave us noong February. I miss you so much, Ma. This was not on our bingo card talaga. Nawala yung mga plan natin bigla. Sabi ko magpipicture na tayo. Magpapotabot na tayo. Ganun sa ginawa namin last year. Kasi para magkaroon na tayo ng maayos na picture together. Kasi wala tayong maayos na cellphone. Hindi din rin maayos yung bahay. So, the only thing we could have is pumunta sa mga photo booth, sa mga shops ng and yet we didn't get to do it kahit isang beses. Now, I have to cry and remember na we don't have maayos na family picture. But I hope you know that. I promise I cherish those pictures together. It was so genuine. It was so precious to me. And then yung saya that we are still 7. But I would always bring it to my heart. And we never got the chance to take a photo together na maayos. Alam mo yung last picture natin ng January, the New Year, hindi din siya maayos. And it was our last picture together. I wish we had taken a lot of pictures together before. Sana pala hindi na tayo nahihiya sa isa't isa. And I hope sana pala lumaki kami na we are clinging to each other. Pero hindi, and I regret a lot. Not having a picture with my friends, pero grabe na lang yung picture ko with our family. This year, I remember you, Ma. It was our first Christmas without you. And we are trying to survive every day. Every season, no, every event na wala ka rin. I just can't believe that. Ito na pala yun na pala yung last celebration natin together. But, I will promise na you will always be in our hearts, especially sa akin. I would always miss your luto. Mga luto mo. Yung pag-care mo sa amin. Sa mga damit. Sa mga dadalhin sa school kapag may Christmas party. Kapag pamimili ng damit. Pampasko. Magaganda naman yung damit namin ngayon. Pero, at what cost? Wala ka dito. Mapakit ka na tuloy. Agad ako pa naman dun sa my day ko kanina. Mama, we miss you. Mahirap. Masakit. Pero we have to keep on going. And we're so, na kahit masakit minsan, na kahit sobrang hirap, I am so thankful kasi nararamdaman ko tong sakit, itong lungkot because you love us so much. Pinaramdam mo sa amin yung unconditional love. That's why I'm hurting. Until now, unconditionally na din siguro. Siguro sobrang sentimental mo talaga kasi talagang naaalala kita palagi. And I'm so thankful. Merry Christmas, Mama. Wala ka man dito, but we would always remember you. You're always in our hearts forever. I love you, Mama. Merry Christmas. And we love you. I hope we could celebrate Christmas sa sunod. Maybe if totoo yung another life, maybe we could celebrate it together. Thank you. Love, Dana.